What's good with y'all boys, man? Beautiful day to get the camera rolling. But this is first thing in the morning. I'm actually getting ready for work. This is so last minute, but I'm about to get in a trade. If y'all know me, I have to hurry up and get in this trade. But if y'all know me, last time I sold on USDCAD. And as y'all can see right here, we got a double bottom on the resistance, plus this candle right here is an exhaustion candle, and it's a trend changing candle. And as y'all can see, all right here is liquidy. So let me get in this trade and I'm gonna do a deeper explanation. So let's get in this trade. Let me share my screen. It just started. So like I was saying, you press the SL button on MT5 and you can literally slide it where you want to put it at. 34969. 34969. That's close enough. So I want to risk more than $341. So I'm gonna get out this trade. I'm probably gonna do like a 1 point something. I'm probably gonna do like a standard. Let's see how much I want to. 1.25. Actually, you can actually type it in and you'll see how much you're risking. That's a smarter way to do it, actually. That's how I usually do it. 1.34969. I feel like 700 is cool. And once this take off, I'm gonna get in on another position. So I'm probably gonna do one. I'm probably gonna do 3 trades on this one. Probably 3. 1.38785. So we risking 700 for 2,724. And I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It just looked like it was finna take off. Oh yeah, this pair right here is probably gonna put me through a I'm really waiting. I'm gonna show y'all. If I do wait to get in, I really want to wait to see. It's at a heavy resistance, but I really want these moving averages to cross first before I get in. I feel like if I get in before the moving averages cross and it goes and stops me out and I lose 700, I'll be kind of pissed because I didn't wait. But I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all know. But just know I'm thinking to get in this trade, and if I look crazy, it's first thing in the morning and this is last minute and I'm getting ready for work, so I have to hurry up and eat, brush my teeth, and slide out the door. But just know I'm picking y'all up no matter where I go. Camera's coming with me, so yeah, I'm gonna wait because this is moving kind of wonky right now, so I'm gonna wait. But I'll see y'all in the next clip, man. All right, y'all, I'm on my way to work. I'm not gonna lie, man, like, dude, my life is so like back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like, I just woke up, I just left the gym. I have a, look at myself, keys falling out. Let's get this show on the road. Let's just start driving. What's it called? So tomorrow I have a basketball game, and so I went to the gym this morning. Usually every day I either lift. I just talked with a list, bro. What's going on? Usually, let me put my seatbelt on for y'all hear that annoying ding. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is non-stop for me, bro. Non-stop. I'm always on the move, working, grinding, doing something. But I have a basketball game tomorrow, right? So I'm either training basketball, doing that, or I'm either lifting. So it's like a non-stop grind for me. And then I'm picking up my camera more and just filming everything for y'all, like everything, because I'm trying to give y'all raw content of, you know, being a day trader. So I got a video dropping today for y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just whack this off. Last night I think I closed my trade for like $200 or $300. I don't know if I'll make a video on that. Man, I take profit. That's a whole different story. Like, when I'm parked and I could show y'all what I'm talking about. I got in this trade, right? My TP was like 4,000, well, almost 5,000. It was 4,800 something, right? Structure was looking so good. I woke up this morning, I got out before it like fully made up bearish engulfing, but I seen it started to form it, and I got out and I made like 300 or 200 last night in my sleep. And after it made that H4 bearish engulfing, I got out the trade. Tell me why it started going up. What would make it go bullish when it just made an H4 mean bearish engulfing candle? It didn't make no sense to me. I still made some cheese. I'm not complaining, but y'all know, like, if y'all trade, y'all know how that is, bro. As soon as you get out of a trade, you either win a little bit or you lose, and you get out, it start doing the exact thing that you want it to do, if that makes sense. Like, bro, it'd be like, yeah, that's a big old dog. But yeah, I'm on the way to work. When I park, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. But yeah. All right, we back in effect. So I end up getting in USDCAD. It looked good, so I got in it while I was driving. Let me start the screen share. 2, 1. It just started. So, you know, so this is why you getting on your demo first, right? Cause look, I'm on my live right now. As y'all can see, we on live. As y'all can see, we have some bread right now. But bro, on my demo, I got in earlier and I was getting bro, on my demo, I was down 105, and I'm like, see, that's why you're getting on your demo first, to make sure that's what you really want to do, or if you get on better entries. So yeah, what made me get in is 8 o'clock just happened, right? So we got a new H4 candle, and as y'all can see, look, my 9 and my 20 moving averages crossed to the upside, nigga. And then when I got in before 8, it was low-key like retracing a little bit. So, you know, like I got in at the bottom of that retracement, so I wouldn't like get no drawdown. And price closed above the 9 and the 20 moving averages, crossing to the upside. So, and then the live, this is where we entered at right here. So as y'all can see, y'all, I'm risking $867 for this trade, bro. And you know what's crazy? And my take profit is 2,789. I'm gonna try to get 2 trades. I'm gonna try to get two or three trades. I'm trying to get all of them with stops and profit. So I'm just gonna wait until price gives me more momentum to the buyer side to get in on more entries. But yeah, as y'all can see, USDCAD moves crazy, gang. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like I wouldn't risk $800 or spend I wouldn't spend almost $900 on anything else but these markets, bro. Like, for real. So like, bro, if I do get fried, my nigga, I get fried. But I have a lot of confluences on, like, and reasons why, you know, price shouldn't go down this way and stop me out. I mean, it could. Price can do anything, gang. But if I do lose $900, bro, I would rather lose it in the markets. That's just my mindset, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. But y'all remember my old video like 5 months ago where USDCAD got to this same resistance? Remember where it was this one? Look at this, y'all. And I got in this trade and price came back and stopped me out in profit, bro, because I put my stops in profit too early and it went to the resistance that I had my take profit to, bro. Y'all remember this same trade 5 months ago? Griff, play the clip. And we're gonna press that buy button, man. Let's do it. We in a trade. And then once this give me more momentum push around this area, I'm putting my stop loss in profit, get in on another trade, and we're gonna let price do his thing, bro. So we got hella confluences. So that's what I'm talking about, bro. So it got to this same resistance, bro. This is a heavy resistance, as y'all can see. Just look at it. So, you know, and I got a stop, and my stop loss is in a valid spot, I feel like. So, you know, if price does stop me out and I hit my stop loss, then you know, like, this is going to be the new resistance, and this is going to be the new support. And if I do touch it again, I'll just take it down to the support, because it got down here. It hasn't got down here since 2023 in December, but hey, this is a resistance, bro. That's the whole reason why y'all draw support and resistance level. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this trade. If you a trader, bro, you know it sucks being in drawdown before you clock in for your shift. But hey, bro, look at the daily, bro. I feel like that is a doji indecisive candle. Like, I feel like if it was to keep selling, bro, it would have kept selling. It wouldn't have made this candle on the daily. But hey, look, USDCAD can do anything, gang. And win, lose, or draw, gotta trade them all. If it look good, Griff is gonna touch it. You feel me? So let's look at gold. A part of me really wanted to not touch anything and wait for gold. Gold is in pure consolidation right now, pure. So whichever way gold shoots, it's going to shoot very, 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 very hard. It's been consolidating for a minute, but you know me, like, every time I just focus on gold, the regular pairs, they are now starting to do some crazy things. So, you know, I'm keeping my eye on everything. And forgot to mention to y'all too, we made like $200 and some change last night on USDCHF. And let me show y'all what I was talking about earlier, by the way. So USDCHF, right? I got in around like this area, like around here, right? And bro, as y'all can see on the H4, that bullish engulfing candle, and I was trading it because look at the liquidity that I just seen when I got in this trade, bro. Like, look at all of that. Look at all those big body candles, bro. So on the daily, I had a reversal candle, and then yesterday I held the trade for like 2 days, and then it made that candle after the daily yesterday, and then now I just want to sell and act like it's gonna go that way. So, you know, bro, I seen like $600, and it was retracing this morning before I went to go work out in the gym. So I'm like, bro, listen, I'm not finna see $600 and not make no cheese. And then it made that bearish engulfing candle on the H4. I'm like, nah, bro. And the moving averages crossed to the upside too. I'm like, nah, I'm finna take my cheese. But yeah, bro, y'all pray for me because USDCAD be moving, gang. And you know, I'm gonna let God do his thing. I believe in God, and God feeds all his people who pursues his word and lives his word fully. So, you know, win, lose, or draw, gotta catch them all. I'm not gonna lie to you. If this pair goes down and stops me out, I'm not gonna do nothing but laugh, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I'm gonna just laugh and go on by my business, bro. And I'm gonna just wait until gold breaks out of whichever way and whatever. And if I do get fried on this, whatever I lose on here, I'm gonna make it back ×5 with gold. So I'm not even tripping. All I know is when I see something good, I just gotta take advantage of it. No bap. So without further ado, man, look at it trying to retrace. Oh yeah, so look, when y'all are in trades, what I like to do is I don't like to sit here and just watch the trade 24/7 because, you know, that might scare some people. You may get out early. If you know what price is doing, let price do his thing and just have your alerts like halfway through your stop loss or basically at the bottom of your stop loss. Just note, if you hear that alert go off, my nigga, just be mentally prepared and just go on to the next thing. But yeah, I feel like this is a heavy resistance for USDCAD. If it stops me out and I lose, I lose. I mean, I can't do nothing about it, but it looked good. So, you know, I'm gonna take the trade. I'm not gonna be scared to not take it. What's good with y'all boys? Man, listen, we back about like, I think an hour later. And USDCAD, man, listen, this is why we study and we practice support and resistance. We knew this pair hit a major resistance, right, y'all? And guess what? We got in for buys. Look at it. Respecting price action and market structure. Look at this, y'all. Beautiful. Look at this. Hold on. Let me focus it for y'all. Look at that, y'all. So now we keeping it P. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm already like risking what I'm risking, and it moves volatile as hell. I'm gonna try to get 2. I feel like 2 I'll do the max. I'll probably put my stops in profit and probably try to get in on the second entry with my other one with stops in profit. But I want to be real careful with this pair just because how volatile it moves. But if we get 2 entries in this, that's like 6K right there. So I'm gonna try to kill this for y'all, bro. I'm gonna try. But if I can only get 1 and only make 3,000, then I mean a bag is a bag, you feel me? But excuse me. Yeah, I'm about to put my camera batteries on the charger. I'm gonna let y'all know if I do get more entries. And yeah, I'm just taking y'all with me. I got to bring y'all with me through every single thing. I want to make my channel as almost as if y'all got the passenger seat with me 24/7. That's how we gonna do this. So this is just a little motivation. Oh, let me see how much we up right now. I know y'all be wanting to see that too. At my job, I clocked in an hour ago. Y'all know how this job and 9 to stuff work. Y'all know how this job and 9 to 5 stuff work, right? But at my job, I'm currently up $165 floating, and I'm trying to get a second entry. I'm trying to get a bag, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. So my next entry, I might get in at the next H4. Like if I get a bearish engulfing, bullish, and it's moving averaging and these moving averages cross to the upside, I'm gonna bearish engulfing H4 closing candle on top of these moving averages crossover. Then I might get in on the second entry. Let's also look at what it looks like on the daily too. That's a big factor. When y'all trade, when y'all getting these trades, look at the H4 and look at the daily. That will literally tell you everything that you need to know. So let's go look at the daily. Oh, and we're on the live account, by the way. We don't got no cap in our rap, gang. But let's go look at the daily though. Look at the reversal structure on the daily, y'all. Look. You feel me? So get more focused so y'all can see it. Yo, so if we get a bullish engulfing on the daily close at 4 o'clock, yeah, this pair is gonna go up there. And look, 2,789, and that's how much we risking. Oh, let's see what's the risk reward ratio, because I be telling y'all don't trade above a 1 to 3. Let's see if mine's above 1 to 3. I'm pretty sure it is, but I just want to show y'all that too. So when I say risk reward ratio, it's the 1 to is always going to be like the start of it is always going to be 1 to something, because that's what you trading. But how you see what it is, as y'all can clearly see, mine is a 1 to 3.39, right? So I'm risking 91 pips to gain 311 pips, and we're at a major resistance. So let's just enjoy the ride, y'all. Y'all see the structure. And look, when y'all study things and y'all see stuff that look good, you can't be scared to get in, bro. Y'all have to get in and take advantage of it, bro. Feel me? So just get in and trust yourself and trust the Lord, bro. If you a believer in the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, trust him when you get in these things. And just let him work. Let him cook. But yeah. Let's do this thing, nigga! And just like that, lads, while I was in my job, I got in on a second entry just because it looked so good. And look how much I'm up, y'all, while I'm at the J. Look how much I'm up while I'm at the J. So we at the J making more pay. Hold on. 421. So I got in on my second entry. As y'all can see, I got in on my second entry. And bro, look at structure, gang. Look at this. Structure looks so good. This is why I be telling y'all that 50 RSI is OD. Once you see that line shooting through that 50 on that RSI, it gives it so much momentum. Look, and my ADX 10 is starting to break for buys on the momentum side, and the ADX 45 is getting there. All I need, and by the way, I forgot to mention that this is a morning stop pattern, gang. It really is. Like, if y'all pay close attention, that's really a that's a doji in the middle. What I just taught y'all, the morning stop pattern. That's a doji in the middle, sellers on the left side, and a bullish engulfing on the right side. That's a morning stop pattern in one confluence. Second confluence is my 9 and my 20 is crossing. Third confluence is the RSI. Fourth confluence is it's at a major resistance that I showed y'all way before. So look, have y'all confluences when y'all getting these trades, so y'all don't have to worry about nothing, gang. We literally cooking. Look, and then now I'm just waiting for price to go up a little bit more so I can put my stops in matter of fact, I'm gonna put my first stop in profit. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to put my first stop loss in profit. Hold on, I'm gonna type that in right now on the guys. So on MT5, how y'all push up stops in profit is how you do it. For my first one, right, I slide it right then and there. Boom. Slide it in profit. My camera's about to die, so I gotta hurry up and show y'all. Slide it in profit and press modify. Now we cooling, gang. We chilling. We literally chilling. But my camera's finna die, so I'm finna go charge it up, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Hey man, say man, and just like that, I don't know how many hours it's been, but I got here at 8. So I'll probably say in 2 hours, I just made $850 at the J, bro. I'm done. You feel me? I made $200 in my sleep last night, and I just closed for $850. And y'all seen the whole thing. Y'all can see it. In the last 24 hours, y'all can see I made a band. You feel me? All blues, you heard? Listen, while I'm at the J, so listen, if this is not motivation for y'all to take trading in the market serious, gang, take trading in the market serious, please, 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 please. USDCAD is probably gonna keep going, but I ain't gonna lie, bro, I seen $850 in my face. I'm taking it. So yeah, bro, y'all seen that whole video, and I'm still gonna make another video on how I did it. So you know what I'm saying? Now for the rest of the day, I really don't do that much stuff in my job. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like after 12, I really be chilling. So now what I'm finna do is I'm probably finna chill. I'm gonna Bible study later for sure. I'm gonna thank the Lord for blessing me with $850 in 2 hours. 2 hours. Y'all seen the whole thing of me about to get in there to me in it. You know what I'm saying? Thugging it out and making the cheese, bro. I love my job, man. This job. Like, I'm telling y'all, I'm chasing. It's gonna be, bro, I've told myself since 18, I'm gonna find something. And when I find that something, at 25, I'm gonna retire from 9 to 5s, bro. And I'm gonna fully work for myself. When I'm telling y'all, we are close to there and I feel it. Like, this is a crazy feeling, but y'all, we are so close, gang. Like, man. But yeah, that's it for the vlog. I'm done trading for the week, bro. I ended my week off. 200 in my sleep last night and 850 in 2 hours at work. So yeah, I'm done. If y'all like this video, man, hit that subscribe button, bro. I'm giving y'all free game. Y'all didn't see me make a bag, bro. Like, come on, bro. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, bro. I'm taking this camera everywhere I go. Everywhere. So y'all see what's going on, man. I love y'all boys, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Stay tuned, boy.